Yeah, peeps, blessed day, Sunday, October the 25th. Rain still kind of depend we. Now, I've heard about flooding that has happened up in a place called Cedar Valley. Now, we'll try to see how close you can get to this. So I'm going to be showing you how Cedar Valley look right now, how the road look going to Cedar Valley. Alright guys, so watch the intro. I do not have a crazy story to tell, like I dropped out of college or I quit my job and traveled the world. I'm just a normal person with passions I am willing to pursue. Follow me on my journey. Let me show you what I accomplish. I am Alex and this is Elite Jamaica.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare.
Oh guys, we're on the main road heading up to Mt Lebanus, just above the Trinity Crossroads, and now we see that we have the landslide, where there's a risk of more landslides here because this road is not particularly good. Watch my brake light, that hurt though. Yeah, so here we go. This gully doesn't really cause a problem right here. It's the one above, the one up here. I remember showing you guys this road the other day when me and Tafa was going up to Mt Lebanus. Now this is the way it is, guys. This we have to drive through. Easy. So yeah, peeps, that's what's going on. So we head up the road. Follow me. Peeps, the rain dip on way again. I'm up in Mt Lebanus. I'm showing one piece of road, not telling you it's not normal. This I gonna mash up if the rain come back, and this is gonna be another block off. Let me show you this. Guys, so this is the road leading down to Aki Parade in Mt Lebanus. Now we have some little precipice here, but what I want to show you guys is up here. You know, we're in a Jew, you know, peeps. So guys, see if my TVJ is not gonna come up here. As a matter of fact, them not able to reach up here right now because of how the road steer. So I really can't blame them for that. You know. Now a gully run through right there, so when the rain come down. So that's what really I mash up the road right here. See that? Now guys, we go further up and I do the same thing. And trust me guys, this are the norm for around here. So I'm going to show you now the gully here flood out. So I see what I got me right here, so if the rain come back. Guys, this are the gully just before you get down to Aki Parade in Mt Lebanus. Alright, just a little gully that can make the road broke with. So I don't go on peeps. So now we're gonna be heading up to as far as we can get and see if we can reach up to Cedar Valley. Alright peeps, that we are doing. Let's shoot one little video of the road, is it? Now peeps, we are in Mt Lebanus. Yeah, a place called Mt Lebanus in St Thomas. And now showing you guys where I grew up as a child, alright? As a little boy, yeah? So, you follow me. You see how the roads stay, peeps? No roads, the further up we go, the worse the road go. Now this is where I grew up, guys. Yeah guys, this is where I grew up. You know, this is where my grandfather used to park his bike. The toilet was right there, you know, it was an outside toilet. Yeah. Alright, so yeah guys, so it looked like somebody asleep inside. I'm not really go inside because the floor, I'm not trust the board flooring. So I'm gonna show you guys the river. My part of the river now guys. The kitchen was right there. So the next part of the house and stilts. That was my room door to the back. This is the river guys. So the river doesn't affect the house because all of this I'm standing on is just one big piece of rock that stretches right back into underneath the road. So it's just one big piece of rock. Oh, go on Nigel. There man. I get some video footage. Yeah, I make one little video. So where are you dealing? Oh, you understand? You're not trouble you? Not the water, not trouble you neither? Alright, glad to know that man, is it? Yeah, up in the hills I may try reach. I see how, yeah man, I see how far I can go. Yeah, is it? Yeah man. Eh? So the road good for go up there? Okay, okay. Okay. Yeah peeps, so I'm heading up further, see what's going on further up. Yeah peeps, this is the road heading up to New Monkland, and I don't really think I'm gonna further. First the car have a transmission problem now peeps. As you notice, the car have a high rev, so it now really climb the hill properly, just a rev out, and then the road bad, so I can't go over the hill fast, so it makes no sense. I really try to force the situation. But anyway, I'm showing you guys up further, and yeah, then we'll go back down to the Fonthill bridge because there's the people that drive across it, so I wanna really see that. So peeps, so the road stay. Yeah man, so yeah, this is the hill where really going to cause a problem to go up guys, and this is a diversion road to go up to New Monklands. So what am I going to do? I'm going to see if I can get Jay for me and him go up further with film car because his car in a better driving condition. Alright peeps, so we're head back down. We're got the Fonthill crossing now car. Right now I want to see how down this is stay. Curious. Alright, if you are curious, type curious in the comment section below. And guys, remember, I really want to thank you all for watching, for supporting Elite Jamaica. Alright, and supporting the cause. Thank you all for donating to the channel. And remember, you can get Elite Jamaica merch to purchase and with the links in the description below. Alright, yeah man. Peeps, for those of you who are willing to donate to the channel also, there's a PayPal link in the description below also. Alright, so now follow me. Yeah guys, we are now in a place called Mt Lebanus, and yeah, I just see the front compressor because I hear say on road up there, so the river it take already like it come back over on the road. So yeah, I'm gonna go up there, I kinda I see it from myself, but yeah, I'm gonna let you guys see what's happening, guys. Alright? Yeah, man. So, follow me. Yeah, peeps, so this is the road, peeps. A flimmer come up a while ago. Friends, if you catch him in the video, he ride a bike, and unfortunately, just realized it never did a record. So, yeah. Sorry about that, Jason. Big up Jason from Somerset, man. He's it. Really out. So, peeps, so it's there. The rain will come back at it. That's the river out there. That's the river out there, guys. Come on, bud. Rain will come back. It's a beautiful sight, doing no peeps. Come on. So this is where they said that the river taken away the road, but it don't look like the river did run across the road, peeps. It look like the spring, the gully from over that side was running across the road. So basically that's what happened. But you know, I need to come see for myself. And now we see it. And yeah, you saw it on Elite Jamaica. You reach this far in the video, type Elite Jamaica in the comment section below. Alright? Yeah. So peeps, that's a little part of the spring right there. So these are the little springs that run out onto the road. And yes, peeps, that's drinking water. That's actually a spring, like a spring that the water can be drunk. Alright. Drink or drunk, or drunken, drinking. Yeah, peeps, so that's how it looks.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down. All around this empty town, we're searching for the lost and found. But you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air, like a blazing flare. Don't stare, 'cause the flames will burn us.
Guys, thank you for joining again. It's back to where it all started. Waters on the block. Yeah, man, if you read so far in the video, type Jamaica flood out. Because Jamaica flood out, you know, like Jamaica, the land of wood and so much water. Yeah, man, thank you all for watching. Bless.